ஆளுமை மிக்க அரசியல்வாதியாக பியோர் பாலிடிக்ஸ் பயிற்சி பட்டறை நேரடி இணைய வழி வகுப்புகள் உங்கள் சீட்டிற்கு முந்துங்கள் 7338824242
Durg, Chhattisgarh on 25th July 2025. The notices of Sri Santosh Kumar P, Sri P.P. Sunir, Dr. V. Sivadasan have demanded discussion over the serious impact of the 25% tariffs and the extra penalty imposed by the US President Trump on Indian goods. Notices of Sri Samik Bhattachar, please. Sri Samik Bhattachar demands discussion over the direct threat to constitutional authority of the Election Commission and electoral integrity in West Bengal. The notice of Sri Ramji Lal Suman demands discussion over the unprecedented and unexpected resignation of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha. Since these notices do not conform to the detailed directives imparted by the Chair on 8/12/2022 and 19/12/2022, the same are declined. Matter raised with permission. Tiruchi.
Sir, my notice was on SIR, sir, and we have been insisting. One minute, sir. Kindly give 1 minute. Sir, you read out an observation that so many hours have been wasted during question hour and 0 hours, which we are also concerned. We are very much interested in having. But the responsibility of smooth functioning does not lie only with the opposition parties, it's also with the treasury benches. What we are insisting is the SIR. Please, kindly. No, it will affect all the states, sir. We are concerned and we are asking for a discussion. Give us time. We are prepared to cooperate. But they are not giving that time, sir.
You both parties.
Sir, let the time. You have to, sir. Sir, you are the custodian of the house. The ruling party has to give a time. We shall sit together. We will discuss and we will cooperate.
Earnest request, both sides you sit and decide.
That's it. We want only time, the date.
Please, that's all. Over.
Pramod ji.
That's over. Please, it's over. Sir. Please.
आपसे अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि 267 जो नोटिसेस दी हैं सारे लगभग विपक्षी दलों ने, उसमें एक बात बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण है, शायद उस पर नजर आपकी नहीं गई, वरना क्योंकि आप इंटेलिजेंट।
It's not going on record. We are not discussing it.
सर,
आप
सर मेरी मैं तो आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं, मुझे तारीफ ना करें। फैक्चुअल स्थिति है,
मेरी बात तो सुने। मेरी सर, ये सदन राज्यसभा जो है,
ऑनरेबल द चेयरमैन की रूलिंग है, इस पर कोई बहस नहीं हो सकती।
नहीं, मेरी बात तो सुने। अरे मेरी बात तो सुने, जो मैं नई बात कह रहा हूँ, न्यू थिंग
आपको अवसर दिया,
न्यू, वही तो कह रहा हूँ। हाँ। मेरा ये कहना है, ये क्या है सर, जो नई बात है वो ये है कि ये है